I'll be showing you how to set up a cart drawer for your Shopify Dawn theme. So let's dive right into it. So from the admin menu, let's go into online store on the left-hand side. This will open up our Shopify themes. And if you've installed Dawn and already have it set up, this will be your default theme here. And I'll go to customize, which should be a big green button. Now from there, you want to go to the left-hand side. You'll see overall sections, theme settings, and app embeds. Where we want to go is theme settings. This will open up quite a few settings. And what we want to do is go all the way down to cart. I'll scroll down to cart. And now we can see the cart type. And now what we're looking for is the drawer. So I'm going to hit drawer here. I'm going to hit save. And now let's go and check if this works. So I'll scroll down to a product called the outdoor camping bag. I'll double click the add to cart button. And now I can see it shows up in drawer. I can also have different buy button customization, such as show dynamic checkout buttons. So if you're using different types of payment methods, such as PayPal or Apple Pay, these will show up at the bottom here, along with the checkout button. There is also the ability to toggle this show recipient information form for gift card products. So I'm going to leave this as untoggled. To add a little bit more customization, I can go back to theme settings on the left, scroll down to cart, and I can see options such as toggling the show vendor. I can enable the cart note, and I can also add a collection if the cart drawer is empty. So I'm going to select the all here. I'm going to hit select at the bottom to save that and lock that setting in. I'll hit save. So I'm the customer now, and I click on the cart here. And I remove this product. I can now see collections showing in the bottom left, and the customer can easily open this up to view more products. So again, clicking add cart now is going to show it up in a drawer rather than a separate page. So hopefully this was a quick and efficient video here to show you the step-by-step process. Before I go, I want to say if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. That's where Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations to show how profitable you actually are. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as many cost of goods sold options. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below. So this is going to conclude the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.